Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest, my little brother Harry.
What's up?
As I said in a previous video, I am 23 years old and he is 20. So he's going to be doing my makeup today in the Brother Does My Makeup tag.
Little side note though, I have no idea what I'm gonna do because
he has no idea about anything makeup related at all.
Yeah, she was like, watch some videos, learn some basic makeup, brother. And I literally was like, you'd make for better content if I literally had no clue what I was doing. And there's a whole array and like amalgam of
I'll put the close-up
stuff
in
that
here.
makes no sense to me that I've got to do it. And
yeah,
why?
This is gonna be a funny video, obviously. So I think we should just go ahead and get started.
I'll start with just the rest
of the face.
of
The base. Okay.
Yeah,
go ahead and find some concealer, which is the first thing he's going to be starting out with. Just focus that. Do you want me to tell you where it is?
No.
Okay.
What is this? What the fuck is this?
It's my sponge. That's not, I can't tell you what it's for.
Well, it looks like it's. Is it in the drawers?
Yes, it's in the drawers. You can use that if you want, but
No.
I don't.
Oh God, oh, we're good. Everything's fine.
He's reading the label.
Concealer. Here's concealer right here. Okay. This is concealer, right? It says concealer on
Yes.
it. You can't tell me it's not. It says concealer on it.
Yes, Harry, that is concealer. Okay.
Oh, okay. What do I apply it with? Is this a brush? It is a brush.
It's called a doe foot applicator.
I don't know what that means. Do I apply a lot or a little?
I can't tell you. What? Let's break down the word concealer.
Well,
Conceal.
zits, blemishes. I'm just kidding.
I have a couple problem areas up there.
Be nice to me. Stop laughing. You're making this so hard.
Don't block the camera. You're so gentle.
So do I cover up just your zits or your freckles too? I'm gonna do freckles too. Hey, stop moving! You.
Are you?
I'm just, because I think it's for freckles too. No?
What's the next step?
I don't know. It's in here. It has to be in here.
Mm-hmm.
This is it.
Okay, then go with that.
All right. I don't know where to start.
So what, are you using a brush or a sponge for that?
Brush.
Okay.
I don't know where I did it. I have no clue where I did it.
All right. Well,
I mean, it means I did a good job.
You can. I mean, you could just put it everywhere. You could just guess.
It was like on your eyelid. It was on your tear duct. I really don't remember where I did it. Where I put it.
So let's do a contour.
Contour. Kat Von D.
That is it. You're right.
Shade light. Shade light.
Shade and light.
Shade. That's a plus sign. Shade and light.
Shade and light palette. Trust me, you're getting it on there.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay.
How far back does it go? I need to be a little bit more abrasive here. I've completely knackered it. This does not look good. I don't know how far back to go. It looks like you got punched in the face. I don't know. Oh shit. Alright, so we had to bring in a lamp because the sun has decided to drop out on us.
Yeah.
So this is Jaclyn Hill and her...
This is her, right here.
Yeah, is this on the eyelid?
It is on the eyelid.
Okay.
I'm not gonna look.
Don't crease your eyelid.
I'm sorry, I'll pull them up.
This has been a really life-changing experience for me.
Why is that? You didn't realize how hard it was?
Yeah, and I appreciate why women spend up to 3.5 hours getting ready for events and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna go around the bottom, the top, and the bottom of the eye. It's liquid liner, so it lines the liquid lining of your eye, and then I make the wing with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, are you putting it on the top or the bottom or both?
I'm gonna do mostly top.
Okay.
With a little bottom.
Okay.
Put that on your eyelashes. I need help.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm completely fucking this up. This is completely gone. Fuck. I'm so pathetic.
Am I near the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that done or are you?
No.
Okay.
I'm doing you wrong.
It's okay. Liquid liner is really hard.
Alright.
Is it done?
I'm in your eye. I got in your eye, I think.
Don't do any underneath. Oh, okay.
We're done.
Can I open it without it creasing everywhere?
I'd wait.
Oh.
Can you see it?
No, I can feel it though. Oh God.
Why did you wipe it on me?
You're wearing black.
That's true.
My eye is burning. I believe in you, Harry. Just slow and steady. Harry, you're putting it underneath my eye.
Am I supposed to?
No.
You said put it underneath.
No. Yeah, that's why it's burning, because I never put that underneath my eye.
You look like an Egyptian.
Oh, you only put it on the top.
It's like a Halloween costume. That was the most horrific thing I've ever done in my entire life.
Are my eyelashes long?
Yeah. Am I doing okay?
I think so far it feels okay. Oh God. Oh my God. You're putting it on my skin. Now, we gotta do brows.
How much more do we have?
The idea is to make the eyebrows fuller and
So
more
draw
like
in
defined.
a little bit?
A little bit.
Okay.
You don't need a lot of pressure also.
I made a grave error.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Watering. You can use the spoolie and blend it out. Oh God, that did not feel right.
A little thicker than the other one.
Why are you brushing it like this?
How should I brush it?
This way. Cool. Now we have lips. All of my lip products are on the top. Lips products.
Brush your lips. Oh. Don't laugh at me.
It's putting it inside my mouth. I'm gonna do this.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I was doing so well. I'm done.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay, now we get the setting spray and we set it all together.
Oh my god!
I'm so excited to look at it. Not too close to my face either. No, do it so that you camera. Okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. Do it farther away.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it smells nice.
You got it in my eye.
Why did you open your eye?
I'm trying to tell you to stop. All right, we're done.
3. Oh my god.
What? Oh no.
3, 2, 1, go.
I look like. Oh no. Oh no.
No, it's not good. I don't know,
The
man.
eyeshadow.
Did you notice the contour?
Oh. What the f is that?
I don't know. That's why I said it looked like you have
What are
zits.
these 2 dots on my face?
I said you looked like you had zit scars for a reason.
Oh, Harry. This is what it looks like. So, okay. So I guess that's it. So that is it, everybody. That's the entire video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was definitely fun for us to make. I don't think I've ever laughed harder in my entire life. Okay, so I apologize for the change. You're tired, huh?
Yeah.
I apologize for the change in light. The sun has gone down. This has taken us quite a long time to film. Thank you, big thank you to Harry. So I will see you guys on my next video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to join in on the fun. Other than that, I will see you guys on my next one.